Good morning, my dear students. Today I am here to tell you about a new topic, that is your nervous system and neurons. So, as all of you are knowing, that nervous system is an organ system of the human body which is helping in control and coordination within the body and also with the outside environment. Okay, so the basic unit of nervous system is neuron. Neurons, they are the basic unit of the nervous system, and the structure, if you will talk, it consists of elongated fibers. Okay, you see here, this is a structure of a neuron, where you will see these all elongations are known as dendrites. Okay, this one is your cell body, this is your axons. Okay, here you will have synapse. So you see here, what is happening? These all are dendrites, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These all are dendrites. So the different parts of the neuron are dendrites, axon, cell body, synapse. Then here it is your myelin sheath. Okay, and one you will have here node of Ranvier. Node of Ranvier. So now we will see the different parts, functions of all these dendrites. These are helping in the collection of impulses from the brain or other neuron. Okay, so the approximate length of this neuron is 1 meter. The dendrites, they are helping in collecting the information, receiving the impulses from the neuron or the brain. Axons. These axons are responsible for transmission of impulses. Cell body. Cell body contains the nucleus and the mitochondria, where there will be energy production for this neuron, and at the same time you will have this cell body contains nucleus, the most important part. Since the nucleus is the control center of the cell, so here the cell body that is responsible for controlling the neuron. Whole neuron it is controlling. Now, next is your, so here you see, this one is another neuron. So this position, one is there where exchange of information will take place, that is called synapse, synaptic cleft, synaptic junction, everything is same. So this is synapse, the last end of the neuron. Okay, so before this synapse there is end of neuron. This is the end of neuron, where now you see axons, they are helping in transmission of impulses. This myelin sheath is responsible for the preventing of overlapping of impulses. So whatever impulses are coming, they do not overlap. This care is taken by the myelin sheath, and this one is the middle portion. This is known as node of Ranvier. Node of Ranvier is responsible for the impulses. For the fast traveling of impulses, these nodes of Ranvier are responsible. Last end is your end of neuron, where the neuron is ending. After that, synapse is coming. Synapse means that place where the two neurons exchange their information. So there will be one side will be the dendrite of the neuron, and other side will be the end of the first neuron, and there will be second neuron. The dendrites will collect the information from the first neuron. So this is about your neuron, nervous system, nervous tissue. So nervous tissue, mainly the function is to control and coordinate within the body and from the outside of the body. Okay, so this is about nervous tissue. Now we will see the tissues, organs and the organ system, organism. Now coming on to organ. Organ simply means collection of tissues performing a same function. Okay, so if we talk about the organs, so in the human body we talk nose, eye, ear, these all are organs. Okay, so these are organs which will contain the tissues and they will perform the same function. If the tissues, two or more tissues are performing same function, they organize, they combine to become an organ. Okay, if we talk in plants, the roots, stem, leaves, these all are the organs. Okay, so here also in the same way, in the roots also so many tissues will be there which will be performing same function. In the stem also so many tissues will be there which will perform the same function. Okay, now when organs combine, they form the organ system. Organ system means group of organs which will perform the same function. Okay, and in multicellular organism there is division of labor, and that division of labor is responsible for this organ system. So that division of labor simply means that if any work is to be performed, it will be performed by a single organ system. That is, suppose if you are talking about circulatory system here. In human, if suppose we are talking about circulatory system, that is an organ system, this is responsible for circulation in human beings. So circulation of what? Circulation of nutrients, transportation of minerals, energies, ATP, and the blood also. Okay, so this will be contained in the blood only. So this blood will be responsible for connecting everything within the body. So the circulatory system. So this is an organ system. So now organ and organ system, I think it is clear to you. Now there is one organism. Organism means that the collection of different types of organ system will be present in them. So in multicellular organism, if we talk, then there will be so many organ systems. But if we will talk in unicellular, there is only one cell which will be performing each and every function of the cell. So there is no chance of forming a tissue also there. Okay? So no organ system will be present. So organism simply means there will be collection of organ systems, and each organ system will perform different functions. Example, in case of human, if we talk, there will be circulatory system which will be performing circulation. If there will be respiratory system which will be performing respiration. Okay, there will be nervous system which will be performing the work of control and coordination. So for each organ system there will be a specific function assigned, and none of the organ system will interfere in other organ systems work. Example I am taking, if your circulatory system is not working, suppose by chance due to any disease or any of the circumstances, if it is not working, your respiratory system will never tell that today I will do your work also, because there is division of labor. Okay, so this is against the rule. This will be against the rule of nature, because in multicellular organism there is division of labor, and due to that division of labor, one organ system cannot perform the function of two organ system, none of the times. Even if the second organ system is not working properly, then also the first organ system will not perform, never ever it will perform the function of other organ system. Okay, so as a whole we have discussed here organs, organ system, organism, and also the neurons or the nervous tissues. Okay, so this completes your chapter. In the next class we will be starting with a new chapter. I hope this chapter is clear to you. If suppose some topics which you have not understood, if it is not clear to you, we can discuss again. Okay, till then take care of yourself.